Good morning, all of you. Let us continue with the discussions of acids, bases, and salts. As you all know, we had completed the discussions related to this chapter. Now, today we'll be discussing about the question answers related to this chapter. So, let us continue with the question answers related to this chapter. You can see on the see on the screen, page number 56 of your textbook has got the question and answers. Question number 1. State the difference between acids and bases. You can see the difference in this table. Acids are sour to taste. Bases are bitter to taste. Acid turns blue litmus to red. Base turns red litmus to blue. Okay, I have mentioned the red, but red litmus to blue is the answer. Acid is a substance which contain hydrogen ion, and base are substances which contain hydroxyl ions. Okay, so these are the main differences in acids and bases. Question number 2. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? As we have studied ammonia and its nature, so we can clearly say that ammonia has a basic nature. Question number 3. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? Answer. Litmus solution is extracted from lichens. It is used to determine whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Question number 4. Is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? How would you verify it? So you all know distilled water has got no as such particular ions. Okay, so distilled water will be neutral. We can verify it by showing that neither blue litmus nor red litmus paper changes its color when dipped in it. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. So what is neutralization? We had studied in the previous class. So the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. So best example is that antacids like milk of magnesia, baking soda, etc., which contain a base, they are used for reducing acidity in stomach when excessive acid is released by the glands. So in acidity problems, we have studied this, that neutralization reaction. Okay, it is one of the use of this acid base reaction. Okay, so in neutralization reaction, acid will react with base and it will produce salt and water. Exactly this is what is happening in the stomach when excess of acidity is there. At that time we take antacids. Antacids are made of magnesium hydroxide, and this is a strong base that react with the acid present in our stomach and neutralizes the effect of the acid. Question number 6. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. First, nitric acid turns red litmus blue. Does it? No. So the answer is false. Sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. It's a strong alkali. So it turns red litmus blue. Okay. So it's alkali or basic in nature, and that's why the answer is false. Third one, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. That is true. Fourth one, indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. True. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. False. Okay, it is due to the production of acids by different kind of bacteria. Question number 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant. But unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? So Dorji can easily decide this with the help of litmus paper, right? So the drink that turns red litmus blue is basic. The drink that turns blue litmus red is acidic. And the drink which would not affect both red and blue litmus will be neutral. So this way Dorji can decide acidic, basic and neutral drink. Explain why an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. So what happens? An antacid is taken when you suffer from acidity. So we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia to neutralize the excessive acid released in the stomach. Calamine solution, what does it do? Ant injects an acidic liquid, that is formic acid, into the skin on biting, that causes inflammation to the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing calamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate, which is a very weak base and causes no harm to the skin. Third one, factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into water bodies. The wastes of factories contain acids. If acids are disposed of in the water body, the acid will harm the organisms. So factory wastes are neutralized by adding basic substances. So question 9. 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and the third is a sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicator. So hydrochloric acid will turn yellow to blue. Sodium hydroxide yellow to red. Sugar solution will show no change. Okay. Question number 10. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? It can be identified on the basis of following observation. Bases change the color of litmus paper to blue. As the color of blue litmus paper is not affected, the solution must be basic. If the solution is neutral, even then the color of litmus will not change. Question number 11. Consider the following statements. Both acids and bases change color of all indicators. If an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. If an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of indicator. Which of these statements are correct? So the answer will be that A and D statement are correct. Others all are not correct. Okay. So let's move to some extra questions. First extra question is, what is methyl orange? Methyl orange is also type of indicator commonly used in the laboratory. Question number 2. Orange juice turns blue litmus red because it has citric acid. Name the gas present in soft drinks. Carbonic acid or carbon gas. Carbon dioxide is usually present in soft drinks. So actually it should be name the acids present in soft drinks. It's carbonic acid. Question number 4. Name the acid present in vinegar. It's acetic acid. So with this we are ending today's session. Hope you will write all the question answers. The question answers will be sent to you in PDF format. And hope you will write all that. Please prepare yourself for the online class. Thank you.